Hey everyone, do you know MetaMask has over 100 million users worldwide? And it is the leading non-custodial crypto wallet with over 30 million active users. In this video, we will learn how to set up a MetaMask wallet with just a few clicks. Go to MetaMask homepage and click Get MetaMask. All the links are mentioned in the description below for easy reference. Click Add to add MetaMask extension. Confirm the pop-up to add extension. Click I agree to MetaMask terms of use and choose Create New Wallet. On the next screen, click on No Thanks if you don't want MetaMask to gather your basic usage. If you are okay sharing with it, you can click on I agree. For this video, we will go ahead with No Thanks. Next, you will be prompted to create password. Remember, this password will unlock your MetaMask wallet only on this device. Create a new password and confirm it. Check on I understand and create new wallet. Now this is a very important step. After clicking secure my wallet, a secret recovery phrase will be generated. This secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet and funds on chain. You can use this key to access your funds from any device via MetaMask on chain. So click on secure my wallet and next click reveal secret recovery phrase to reveal your master key. Write it on a piece of paper and store it safely. It may be required later on to restore your wallet. Never store it digitally in the form of a photo or any other form. Remember, whoever has access to this key has access to your funds on this wallet. Click Next. You will be prompted to enter the key phrase to confirm that you have stored the key correctly. Please be aware that I have exposed my keys in this tutorial for educational purposes, and I advise to not using or storing your funds in this wallet as it can be accessed by anyone. Congratulations, your MetaMask wallet is protected and ready to use. Click on Done. We have seen how to add MetaMask extension to your browser. You can follow the same steps to install the wallet on your mobile by going to App Store on Android and iOS. Now that you're familiar with setting up a MetaMask wallet, you may also try the RocketX app that simplifies crypto trading by getting you the best rates on every swap by comparing rates across 500 plus leading exchanges. MetaMask also supports a swap feature that charges a whopping 0.8% fees, whereas fees on RocketX app for on-chain swaps is as low as 0.2%. Compare both swap services and Ape Smart. Check the link to the video in the description below on how to get started with using RocketX app. Happy swapping! If you like the content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.
RocketX.